This phone went for a swim and we're going to try fixing it. Looking at the board under the microscope, we see smoke coming from the corner of the main board. Removing the IC, we see literal fire coming from inside the main board. We don't have access to board view for this device, so we have to use our multimeter in continuity mode to identify where that broken trace goes. We find it on the reverse side of the board, and now we pull an IC from the donor board and mount it to the customer board using UV mask. And now we're running our jumpers from the logic board to the IC. It has to be done like this because we cannot install this IC onto the bonding pads of the main board due to the damage from the original short. Now we are running our jumper from the reverse side of the board and wrapping it all the way around and onto our chip, then finishing it off with a capacitor and finishing up our jumpers. We will apply a new layer of UV mask and cure it. Now putting the board into the housing and prompting the device to boot. It boots and charges and the device is fully repaired.